The querent just finished a phone call with her sister, listening to her share the many difficulties in her life. Her husband's repeated failures in entrepreneurship have left them deeply in debt, with enormous financial pressure on the family. This has also put their marriage on the brink of collapse. The querent can't help but worry whether her sister's marriage can survive. Let's explore the situation through the lens of Qimen Dunjia. In the chart, the querent's sister corresponds to Bing, positioned in the Dui 7th palace, while her husband corresponds to Xin, positioned in the Zhen 8th palace. The Zhen palace is accompanied by Liu He, a symbol of marriage, and the horse star, which moves to generate energy for the Dui palace. This suggests that the husband still outwardly wishes to maintain the marriage. However, the Zhen palace symbolizes mountains and hardships, with the open door buried, the Tianping star present, and Xin combined with Ji, forming a self-punishing imprisonment. These signals reveal the reality that the marriage is already riddled with problems and exists only in name. Love is easy, but marriage is hard. Faced with such challenges, I suggest the querent's sister take action in the following ways. Self-improvement. Continuously learn and grow, whether in skills or mindset, to better handle life's challenges. Financial independence. Avoid relying entirely on the marriage for security. Strive to create your own source of income to strengthen resilience against risks. Rational decision-making. If the marriage is beyond repair, knowing when to let go is also a form of wisdom. Instead of draining yourself in a relationship that exists only in name, it's better to bravely pursue a new life. Life is full of uncertainties, but Qimen can guide your way. If you have similar concerns, feel free to discuss them in the comment section. To learn Qimen Dunjia in depth, visit TaoInsights.com.